How about that? New lights for LHL indoor games. The lights make it look like more of a real game. The ceiling light is now off for good. No more ceiling light. This is all about the lamps which now have smart bulbs in them. I'm so excited to debut these new lights. Anyways, Blizzard Eagles. Lineups. Sharp, McPosel, Megan, Hart, Weber, Kane, Skinner, Smith. Right at 7:30, we are underway. Sharp a shot, save. Evander Kane, you'll get to see some of the cool things we can do with these light bulbs very, very soon. They'll ring it back. McPosel, long shot, nothing. Rebound, he whiffs. And now in the middle, back to Sharp. Sharp. Near his own goal line, gave it to Megan, who fires a shot. Nothing, and now a turnover. Pozo, another save. Sharp with it. He missed the net. As Windows proceeds to terrify me with a notification. Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few days, I will be getting my wisdom teeth pulled out. Which ain't fun. Here's Skinner, a shot. Saved by Hart. Sharp. Bad shot. This goes out of bounds. Terrible shot. That's not a bad shot. It's a terrible shot. Okay, I get the idea. You don't even like telling me that what a good shot and what a bad shot is. Jeez. Drop back. Arpozo with it. He shoots. No. Megan shanks the shot. And an offside on the play. And he's frustrated. And he shot it at him. And now they're going to go. And now we have a brawl. Unbelievable stuff. Like, you gotta be kidding me. Why is there a brawl? Oh, and now the lights go red. This is a brawl. What in the world is going on? And they put them back to white. Okay. That might have just been an error. All right, we are back. Here's a face-off shot. Save. Back to Sharp. He shoots. Oh, he could not get it over Smith. There's another save. Pozo fires it on. Nothing. Skinner with it in the middle. And now it's stuck in his equipment. And he threw it across, shot off the goalpost, rebound blocked. And now there's a big shank. Sharp with it in the corner. Sharp, is he going to try the bomb? He is. He can't put it home, however. And Kane tried to do the same thing. Giveaway, shot, missed it. And now another try. Kane tried it. Nothing. Oh, the net was open. They blew that chance. Puck's in the middle. Shot does not go. They get it over. Pozo scores! It's a goal for Kyle Pozo. It's 1-0. How about that? Red lights on a goal. Lights come back to white. Now the lights are back to white. Every team is doing this. Like Pozo's shot. How did that go out? It was flat. But yeah. How about that? Red lights on a goal. A lot of teams will probably be doing that. A lot of teams are allowed now to do special lights on goals, whether it's red or their own team's color. They can do what they want. The Blizzard are going with red. Oh, what a save by Hart. Pozo shot, nothing. They get it up, and another save is made. In the middle, Megan's like two can play at this game. Shot deflected away. Both teams coming in with very similar records. Blizzard are 4-4. Eagles are 4-3-1. Block shot, rebound, another save. Thrown on and missed. And now a giveaway. Get it back to Weber. They do. Weber shoots another save. Megan in the middle stopped. 61 seconds to go in the period. We've got a 1-0 score. The draw, no goal. Board bounce, no goal. That's a good call. This is the right call. I heard it clearly hit the boards. This is the right call. Sharp, a long shot deflected. Get it to the middle. Vegan, nothing. Sharp trying to ring it back. Was somewhat successful. And now a long shot offside on the play. They just got to knock it back. And why did he just score on his own goal? The first touch ended up in their zone, so no goal. Offside. The face-off goes to California. Shot on, nothing. And now a big one from Sharp. Couldn't hit the net. Get it over. And another offside. Open ice for Sharp to shoot. He couldn't hit it. He tries to get another save, and they put it back. 33 seconds on the clock. Couldn't take advantage of the opportunity to hit the net. Goes to California. A shot save. Rebound. Weber. Great save by Hart. Okposo trying to follow it up with a goal, but he just can't. Shot off the goalpost. There's another miss from Kane. Sharp with it. Across. Okposo. The pass missed him, and the shot took a deflection out. 17 seconds to go. Still 1-0. Draw. Okposo shoots. Can't put it home. Megan. Rebound chance. Nothing. Sharp. Fakes it. Okposo. He's blocked. In the middle now. Megan. No. Okposo save. Back to Megan. Nothing. 2 seconds left and one deflected. Sharp. Oh, he whipped on the shot. Megan got right in his way. That's frustrating. And 1-0 Blizzard after one period. Second period about to get underway from Saskatoon. It's 1-0 Blizzard after one. We'll see if this holds up. Shot, save, rebound, no. Kept alive by Saskatoon. Okposo shot, he missed. It sounded like it went in, it didn't. Sharp has it, shoots, saved by Smith. It'll be rung back around. Kane with it, he fires, stopped. Megan gave it away. Kane to the middle, bounces back to him. Kane shoots, no. And offside on the play. Kane with space, he can't hit the net. Rebound save, and put back in the corner for the stoppage. Patrick Sharp went offside. The Eagles couldn't take advantage. I love these new lights. Shot out the face-off, couldn't hit it. And a big one, nothing. They get it to Skinner. In the middle, snaps the shot, nothing. Long distance, can't hit the net. And Kane puts another one on, and I believe it hit the boards at one point. I think it did too. They're saying it's a board bounce. Bill Hickey. Wait a minute, both teams don't have coaches. Oh, wow. It's not a penalty anymore. They decided to get rid of the rule. Bill Hickey is out to challenge. California is challenging the goal to see if it was not off the boards. I think that's a solid challenge. We'll see if they've got a case. After video review, the puck hit the near side boards prior to entering the net. Therefore, there is no goal. California loses its timeout. Wow. California just cost themselves a timeout. They can't use it now. They don't have a timeout to use. So now, they're still down one, and they lost a timeout. Or the timeout that they have. It is a board mount, and now all lights back off. It's back to the regular setup. I love it. It's dark everywhere but the ice. It's all focused on the ice. Anyways, the draw, and it should have happened in California's zone. Back underway, Weber with it. Shot, save. Rebound is blocked. A big block by Megan. Can't put home the rebound. Hart made the save. And now Sharp fires a shot. He couldn't hit the net. It's a good save by Smith that time. Still 1-0. That puck near the line. Kept away by Smith. And now Weber with it puts it on. He just kind of put a little flopper onto the net, but he didn't hit. It's kind of better being inside and being in the warmth of your home instead of being outdoors in the elements. Giveaway. Shot save by Smith. And now another offside on the play. He just knocked it back for the whistle. Stop scoring on your own net after the play. Stop. How many times have the Eagles gone offside now? That's 3 or 4 now. Here's the draw. Shot on goal. Save. Now on the line goes to California. Shot missed from Weber. Skinner with it. Whips one on. No, he couldn't. And another diving save by Smith. Kane fires a save. Kept alive. Another blast. Missed it. Get it to the middle. Back to Weber. He shoots another one. No. Weber with it again. Get it to the middle before being turned over. There's another missed shot. Rebound. Another one on goal. Save. Skinner flips it over to Kane. Kane shoots, save. Now he gets it to the middle. Skinner, very similar shot. Now, Weber from distance, can't hit the net. They get it back across to Kane. Oh, he almost stone goaled himself. How close was that? Kane with it again. Kane shoots. Another save is made. 70 seconds. The score is still the same, and they score. Shea Weber off the turnover has tied the game at 1. Shea Weber off the turnover, got lucky, and he just blasts one home by Carter Hart and ends the shutout bid here in the second period. Here's a draw back to California. A shot can't hit the net. And a save. Comes back to Sharp. Sharp with it again. He fires. Oh, how did he miss that? And Smith nearly put it in his own net. And now another shot. Nothing. Pozo save. And another great save by Smith. That thing was floated. Good pass over to Kane. He flips a shot. Nothing. Skinner with it. Skinner shoots. Another save. Here's Samigian with it. And he's deflected. Good block there by Skinner. 43 seconds left on the clock. A shot missed it. Comes back. Tips it over. Weber. Another shot. No. And Kane save again. Puck ends up on the line. Who's going to come up with it? It's California. To the middle. Skinner whiffs twice. What is he doing? 25 seconds. Kane a shot. Save. And it goes out. Still 1-1. Very competitive game. That's why we wanted it on primetime. Exactly. The face-off goes to Saskatoon. Long shot. That was not going in anyway. And a big play by Hart. Given away. Kane, another save. Nearly scored off another turnover. $15 seconds left in the period. Face-off one. Oh, a huge catch by Smith. That was most definitely going to go in. Weber flips his shot. Couldn't hit the net. 7 seconds left. And now getting a little risky now. They can run time. And he's blocked. Skinner is blocked. And it goes out with 2.3 seconds. Plenty of time for either side to get a shot off. You got to think, if you're Saskatoon, win this draw, one pass shot. Or a shot right out the draw and hope you get a rebound and put another one on. 2.3 seconds left. Here's a draw shot, and they got the rebound, but they couldn't find where the puck was. It was blocked by Kane. And we go to the third, tied at 1. 1-1 as we enter the third period. What is the light guy doing? Have a little fun, I guess. Face off to Saskatoon, shot, save. And now Weber with it has it tipped away. Weber with it. Or no. I didn't switch the lineup cards. Dang it. Shot, nothing. Rebound. Save. Goes out of bounds. If you're Saskatoon, you got to keep California from scoring. They scored the last goal. Weber shot. Oh, a huge play by Hart. Smith made a similar play in the last period. He did. Tip pass. Weber shot. No. Puck on the line. Still on the line. Goes to Saskatoon. A shot. Save. Patrick Sharp got the attempt that time. But it was stopped by Smith and it went out of bounds again. Got another good one here, folks. And an offside. Sharp blew that. Here we go. Here's the draw. Goes to Pozo. He threw it. Save. Rebound. Another one. Weber to the middle. Skinner. Another save. Megan. Over to Sharp. He fakes. Back to Sharp. He shoots. No. They pull it out. And another one off the goalpost. Sharp with it. Shoot, save. They get it to the middle. Skinner puts one on. Nothing. Now Megan fires another one. Save. Kane. No. Sharp gets it across. Pozo. And a block by Weber. Just as we predicted with that. Weber shoots, save. We're a minute into the period. Score has not changed. Long shot blocked by his own man. Sharp put it on, but Megan blocked it. Now, Kozo, a long shot save. Got the puck to go out. Got two teams very tightly contested. You knew this was going to be a close game when you looked at both teams, but neither team has put on much of an offensive display. It's been more of a goaltender's duel. Yes, it has. Kozo, shot, board bounce. Absolutely. You guys can look at it. Tell me that's not a board bounce. But California's going to get the draw. 93 seconds to go. Draw goes to Saskatoon. A save is made. Weber with it. It goes to Saskatoon. Big blast and another save by Mike Smith. It's been good. Good hockey being played here by both teams. Here's a draw. Shot by Weber out the faceoff. Couldn't hit it. Kozo puts one on. Saved by Smith. Along the near side boards. Gets it over. Shot. Nothing. There's a block. I thought it was in. 73 seconds to go. California does not have a timeout. As you know, they lost it on the challenge. And there's another missed shot. And it gets out with 70 seconds to go on the clock. $70 seconds left off this face-off. Not a good shot. Now here's Sharp. Bad shot again. Leaves it for Megan, who puts one on. But it wasn't great. Bit of a weak shot there. Raposo fires. No. And now another try by Kane. Saved by Hart. 55 seconds left. There's a save again. Raposo with it. Rebound stopped. Given away again. He shoots. No. Played up ahead to Megan. He scores! Wade Megan has given the Blizzard a late lead. 2-1 with 44 seconds. The Eagles don't have a timeout. They don't. A game that we most certainly thought was going to overtime. That might have just been won. Wade Megan. What a goal. 44 seconds. The Blizzard up by 1. They get the draw. Shot missed. Off the goal post. It doesn't count because it hit the post. That goal does not count. Hits off the opposing post. Doesn't count. Again. California with no timeout. Shot save. Why are you shooting? There's a save again. Eagles have it. Send it across. Weber fires. Saved. 30 seconds left. Oh, they give it away. They didn't pull the goalie. There's another miss. Goalie is gone now. Emerson Clark, the extra attacker on the right side. They get it to him. The shot, no rebound, missed it. Blocked on the empty net try. Sharp with it again. Sharp scores! And he's put it away for Saskatoon. It's 3-1. It's a guaranteed loss if you pull the goalie. They need to disallow that because it never works. 3-1 is your score. Every starter has scored for Saskatoon. Three to 1, 10 seconds to go on the clock. Shot, great save by Hart to close it out. 5 seconds left. Sharp fires nothing, comes back, game over, and the Blizzard win. Three to 1. Blizzard go to 5-4. Eagles are now 4-4-1 and are on a huge slump. And it's unfortunate. I thought it was headed for overtime for sure, but Wade Megan with the goal. Wins it for the Blizzard. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.